In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new page using Elementor and incorporate WooCommerce widgets such as products and categories to make sure your online store stands out beautifully. First, let's start by creating a new page on your WordPress site. To do this, navigate to your WordPress dashboard and look for the Pages tab on the left-hand side. Click on Add New. This will open a blank page where you'll be prompted to enter a title. Make sure it's something descriptive yet concise that captures the essence of what this page will be about. Once your title is set, you'll notice a button at the top of the WordPress editor that says Edit with Elementor. Click on this and give it a moment to load the Elementor interface. Elementor is a powerful tool that allows you to design your page with a high level of customization and ease. This interface is intuitive and adaptable, allowing for a drag and drop method of design that saves you precious time and effort. Now that you're in Elementor's editing area, you'll want to focus on adding WooCommerce widgets to this page to showcase your products or categories effectively. On the left-hand side, there's a panel with an array of widgets you can utilize. Scroll through this panel until you find the WooCommerce section, or simply type WooCommerce into the search bar to make things quicker. Under this section, you will see various options such as product widgets or categories. These widgets are specifically designed to help you display products dynamically and attractively on your page. To add one of these widgets to your page, simply drag it from the left panel and drop it onto the main canvas area where you want it to appear. If you're working with the products widget, you can customize it to show featured products, best-selling items, or recent additions to your store. For the categories widget, you can highlight different sections of your store, making it easier for customers to discover products relevant to their needs. Spend some time experimenting with the settings within each widget to get the desired layout and functionality. Remember, you can always preview your design to check how it appears both on desktop and mobile devices, ensuring that your page is responsive and user-friendly. Once you're satisfied with how everything looks, it's time to publish your page. Locate the green Publish button at the bottom of the Elementor panel. Clicking this will make your newly designed page live so visitors can view it immediately. If you're not ready to go live just yet, there's also an option to save it as a draft. This way you can continue to refine your design until you're completely happy with the final result. And there you have it. With these easy steps, you've successfully created a customized and visually appealing page using Elementor and WooCommerce. Don't hesitate to go back and tweak things as you become more familiar with these tools, and soon you'll be designing like a pro. Thanks for tuning in, and happy designing!